And we are just about ready to put the ball into play. Here's my partner, Neil Flores.
Villados, Campton, Ramirez, Malabunga, Josafat, Garcia, and Guerrero as their libero for Team Passion.
Pero we are underway. And the first serve, Ramirez receiving. Hello, first block. Louis sends it high. Villados sets. Garcia flies. Boy, first exchange. Mabigat na kagad. Hindi mo babagsak ang bola. Hinulog. Sumisigaw na mga tao. Jude Garcia's block.
That's a block point for Team Passion.
Unang rally pa lang yun, ha? Ganun sila kaseryoso.
Unang rally pa lang, nagwawala na ako. Ano ba yan? Pakipaalala na 2 games yung gagawin natin.
And this is even an exhibition game.
No.
Parang official game siya. Ganun yung vibes
You're a
natin.
starter for your own team, but you have to be a good team player also, di ba? We wait for the coaches to cue you in, actually.
In a way, reintroduction to ng men's volleyball to the fans here
I
sa
agree.
North. I know, matunog na matunog yung women's volleyball, but when you immerse yourself sa action ng men's volleyball after the 16th point, dito sa first set.
Ooh. Mandal unable to handle the serve of Garcia.
First service ace for the MVP.
But in the meantime, it's an 8-7 count here in this first set. On 2 we go.
Vince Imperial, we know him as an aggressive setter in the spiker's term. Marami tayo makikita ganyan from our setters.
And
Gusto rin nila Coach Tide, kung dati stories lang yan na napakahirap ng training. Ngayon, na-witness mo
alam
na
na
first
nila yan.
hand.
Saka yung mga hindi nila nagiging kakampi, hindi naman lahat napupunta sa national team. May
By
opportunity.
Popoy Colinares, we will show it to you.
Yan.
Yan.
It is the premier.
Premier point, we're bringing the hearts of volleyball directly to Candon City.
So
That
pag
means
na-score, 2
2
points.
points.
Okay.
Walang 2 points sa volleyball, pero sa All-Stars meron.
Pagka nagkamali itong nakapula, 2 points pupunta sa kabila.
And the ball is also different. Ayun lang.
Ayun.
Nag-backfire.
Ayun.
So,
Yung 2 points pupunta doon sa kabila.
2 points will be awarded to Team Power.
Fun, ano? Parang 4-point shot ng basketball. Okay,
Lalo
sige.
na pag naghahabol ka, you can call
naman,
on that
How many can you call?
Only 1%.
Only 1. Okay, so we kind of...
6 set points for Team Power.
Nicely done. Nako, pero buhay pa, oh. Ramirez punches it. And we are done with the first set. And sino bang umiscore?
Jude Garcia.
Si Jude Garcia
The
na.
final point. So Team Power will draw first blood in our Spikers Turf All-Stars Showcase.
Ulitan ito eh, di ba? Magkakakilala from college and so many other teams. In the meantime, referee Erlindo is managing the Power team. I was teasing the reps sa dinner natin sa hotel natin. Pwedeng taunting, pwedeng complaining. Wala nang challenge.
Pwede lahat.
Pwede lahat. Rampa.
Problema.
Di ba?
Now you'll see a different starting unit for both
Sige
teams.
nga, sige
It's
nga.
time for the reserve to play in this All-Star game until the 8th point. Tsaka pwede magpalit ng tao si Coach Sidney and Coach Tai.
And we have the NU veteran, Nico Almendras. Just above the net. Oh, well-run play. Isai delivering of the first great pass by Sumaga Isai. Watch this.
OG King Cruncher. Isay Marasigan taking on a different role dun sa team niya. He comes off the bench.
Jared Schnake has scored his second point. It is now 10-8 here in the second set. Requenton receiving. The set down the middle. Anima blasts away. Guaza tosses it to the back. It's in the air this time with Ronquillo. Picked up from downstairs nicely. And Schnake sends it airborne. Oh, that's an overpass, but they keep it alive. Lorenzo with nearly a messy pickup there. De La Noche, it's off the block.
De La Noche on the adjustment. Goes for a swipe against the block of Jaron Requinton. Point number 3 for J-Rock.
Don't you just love the love of volleyball? Jaron Requinton.
Premier points so far, tatlo na yon.
In the meantime, Requinton will continue to serve Silang from the back row. Schnake. Here comes the set. Marasigan knocks it in. Si Casanya has been feeding Isay Marasigan, who now has 5.
Ang pinakamasarap na buhay sa All-Star game na to would be the set.
Valuable player. Alam natin, one of the most passionate players. Grabe naman pumunto. Set number 1 pa lang dito kay Team Passion, Jao Umandal. Jao, we wanted to ask you, ano ba yung naging favorite experience mo sa entire Candon City experience trip?
Siguro yung tree planting namin. Sobrang enjoy namin na meron palang ganito dito sa Candon na inaalagaan.
Oh, lalim. Reverse set. Oh, butas.
Wow.
Nicely done. Calado now with 8.
I know that people want to enjoy, I mean the players want to enjoy, but for highly competitive individuals like Mark Calado, hindi masayang natatalo eh.
Hindi nila tatanggapin yun. Iiral at iiral. Calado serve in play. Trillados. Hey, Anima making something happen here. He has 3 points.
Past 4 sets have gone to the middles.
Savoj is known for that. And when they got more material, they were able to do so many more things. In the meantime, this is goodbye to the second set. And Power has a 2-set-to-love lead at 25-18, the same score as the first set. You can call for it. If you score on it, you get 2 points. But if you don't, the other side gets the 2 points. In the meantime, Jude Garcia gets thwarted at the net. Very good start now by the team that is served. Received by Ramirez. The setup job. In the corner, Compton. Bakit ikaw ang pinag-iinitan niya?
Siguro ako niyan.
Oo nga, nalata ko kanina. You know what? Pero panalo daw sila sa game, mamaya ba? Something to look forward to. What a serve by Garcia. This set, oh, it is not handled well by Power. But we're tied at 5 here in set 3.
Grabe si Mark Calado.
Oh, grabe, no?
Everything here for this fiery match against Passion and Power.
Well done, Alexis, and we look forward to your other reports. In the meantime, Umandal with an attack from the rear. Here comes the shot. Handled well, nonetheless. Reverse. And too hot to handle.
They just can't stop Mark Calado from scoring. For Team Passion now with 12 points. Now tied at 8. Pwede nang mag-sub. Coaches ng Team Power and Team Passion.
Oh, si Campton, no? Sumenyas na.
Well,
Premier
Campton
point.
Requesting for our premier point. For 2 points.
You have to score it, huh? When you call for it, it has to be off the serve, and you have to score on it if you want to get the 2 points, or else the other side will get it, which has happened in this match. Oh, 8-second. 8-second violation. 8-second violation. It took him too long.
Oh, it's a rotation fault.
Rotation fault.
Called on
Ronquillo.
Power.
It's
Wrong
called on
server.
Ronquillo.
Dapat si JM Ronquillo yung magsaserve.
Look at Campton. And the 2 points will go to Passion.
That's gonna be their first premier point of the match. Dahil dyan, lamang na sila ng isa.
Pumalakpak si Coach Tay, sa assistant ni Sydney. No? Si Coach
Ralph.
Talagang, passionate about the game talaga. Uy! Uy! Baka yun. Secret play. Umandal on the combination. Drilling it in.
Double sub will be called by Coach Sai, CNC lang, and J-Rock de la Noche. We'll check in.
And replace...
Po tayo ngayon sa Candon City Arena. Sa kasalukuyan po ay naglalaro ang Team Passion versus Team Power. So, anong masasabi mo sa napapanood mo ngayon sa laban na to?
Alam mo, napaka-intense syempre. Pero gusto ko din tanongin, ano ba talaga yung naging favorite mo experience? Sabi mo sa akin kanina, parang kumain ka ng crabs kagabi.
Sobra, ang sarap ng crabs dito sa Candon kasi napaka-fresh. Tapos kumain din kami ng ng steak. Grabe, unleashed take dito. Tataba kami dito. Sobra.
Sabi mo nga sa akin kanina, di ba, pati kahapon, I love Candon City! At dahil dyan, last question, ano sa tingin mo yung meron kayo sa nawala ang kabilang team? Again, anong meron sa Team Power na wala ang Team Passion?
Siguro yung wala, parehas kaming good vibes eh. Happy-happy din yung kabila. Siguro yung connection kasi nagkaroon kami ng one-day training sa Manila noon. So, feel ko yun yung advantage namin sa team.
Grabe, kabog ang Monday training. Kitang-kita naman. Back to you, 7-0.
Also coming from the beach volleyball program of UST. Pareho sila ni Alche Gupiteo.
Okay. In the meantime... Oh! Requiton unable to get his legs under him. Got burned by that big shot. 19-16 tally here. Ronquillo will serve. Short one. Ooh. Torres nearly bungling it, but they keep it in play. The jump toss. Casanya sets up Requinton. Too much heat. Silang unable to contain it. 1 point affair.
Even before we went here sa Candon, Coach Signy already mentioned in one of her interviews, yung pinaka-excited siya.
Andito na rin lang tayo eh, 20-80. No, but it's something that might be a new thing in the rules in the future. Alam mo naman ang volleyball evolving. Who would have thought there was a libero before the year 2000?
Also, I think na hindi marunong pumalo itong mga libero leagues. We would see them as outside hitters, middle blockers.
If we know anything about Josie Banyas, di ba? Who can play almost any position.
3 points to go for Team Passion to send us to a fourth set.
And here we go, 22-19. This shot by Ronquillo. Woo! Big one.
All business
Oo nga.
for Mark Calado. Now it's
Almendres blasts away. Marasigan and company bungle it, but keep it in play. The setup job, rear attack will work and Snakinag is set down. We are going 4 here. And at the end of 3, it's 25-21. Tide changing hands, at least for now. We'll be back with fourth set. Larry.
The fourth set first serve to Team Power. First serve to Adrian Villanos.
Villados on deck to serve for Team Power.
Point Team Power.
Power will get their first kill block of the match.
Dug up by Lorenzo. Combination play on target. And we'll take a break for this first technical timeout at 8-3 in favor of Power. Malabunga serve, sails in. Glorioso denied entry. We go with Snaki. He is denied as well. And it's a 5-point lead by Power.
Every time pumupuntos yung Team Power galing sa block, paminsan tumitingin sila kay Coach Tay. Coach, this is your system.
The libero can actually alam ko pwede mag-serve ang libero.
I think they're just trying out that new rule kung gagana or check nila kung ano yung magiging impact sa
I
game.
guess so. And those changes, well, the game is evolving. Who would have thought there would be a libero, as I said, diba? Marmeto. Yes.
Gawa na first point for Pepito off the back row hit.
Kung ngayon lang kayo nagbuton at nagsabi kayo, purist kayo ng volleyball, bakit pumapalo ang libero? For this game, pwede po. But you all know that in the USNCAA, Lorenzo, Garcia, got it. Si Jude, pagka maganda yung set, ang lalo. Elevated by Canton. Marmeto with a dig. And it's on the ground off the block. That's Kim Malabunga's forte.
They've collected a lot of kill blocks here. Set number 4. Ganun nagsimula. Kaya ang bilis nilang umabante. From Lloyd Josaphat to Kim Malabunga.
Oh boy, Passion does not want to go quietly into the afternoon. They're still alive and kicking, down by just 1 right now.
Balik na si Mark Calado for Team Passion to put the finishing touches. Hopefully there.
Can they do it right here? Right there! And we are done! And we are done indeed. Team Power emerging victorious in 4 sets.
Well played.
Siyempre, magkakakampi, magkakaibigan, and quite an experience to be part of it, of course. Okay, win by Team Power in 4. We